How to send money from Rapid Card to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send money from Rapid Card to your bank account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. In order to send money from Rapid Card to bank account, first you want to make sure that you have the latest version of Rapid application installed on your phone, and you want to go ahead and open it up and log in to the account. Once you're logged in, you can see the Rapid PayCard option, and down below you can see home, pay and transfer locations and history option. You need to simply tap on the pay and transfer option right here, and once you tap on it, you should get this option here. Under transfer funds, you can see make a transfer option. You know, simply go ahead and tap on make a transfer, then go ahead and enter in your bank details and such. Make sure that you enter in the credentials correctly, and as long as you enter in the credentials correctly and you have sufficient funds to make the transfer, you should be able to make the transfer. This is how you can transfer money from Rapid Card to bank account. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.